The large pivot door in the cafe on the east side of the Burke Museum, we call it the Phil Turner door. And Phil Turner is the guy that works here in the firm that has developed a lot of the kinetic elements with Tom and with the team over the years.
Well, the gizmo door originally was not part of the Burke Natural History Museum. It came from Julie Stein, who said, "We need a gizmo." I said, "Oh, that's cool. Why would you want a gizmo?" "Because you do gizmos."
Because of the reputation of the work, and Tom's work in particular, I think there was an expectation that there would be some sort of special large kinetic element on the Burke Museum. We looked at the feasibility of doing a large pivot door like that. It was a great opportunity to open the Burke into the Burke yard.
It's the culmination of a bunch of natural forces. And if we do it manually, then we're doing it using nature.
They kept talking about this gizmo door, and I kept thinking that, how's this gonna work?
I was a little skeptical of, actually, well, no, I wasn't. I wasn't really skeptical at all because these guys have shown multiple iterations of this thing working before. We had all those dominoes fall in the right place and we were able to make it happen.
It's like 28,000 pounds. It's iron and glass.
We worked with the subcontractors, we worked with Eastside Glass, making sure that the framing around it was the right opening.
They actually went and built this in a warehouse to make sure it functioned proper and get through all the kinks and corks and all this.
In order for them to work, we have to actually be the energy, the power, but we're using weights, we're using pulleys, we're using, all sorts of mechanical advantages. As soon as you're moving the gizmo, you're part of the natural world. And the natural world is part of you because it doesn't work until you basically engage in all these things.
Eventually, you got the crank going and we got her up and running, and we were pretty excited about that with all the work that we had put in previously. Just getting it all to work together was a fun challenge to deal with.
The large roll-up door that almost mimics the sort of mission and vision of the building and inside looking out, that when it's rolled up, it really invites you in.
But to bring that and put that in place, pretty signature move, pretty cool.